Hello everyone, it's Donna, and it's been a while since I've done a video on the Janome. So I just booted up my Skyline S7, and you'll see this resume last pattern here. And this is actually good if you're, sewing on something special, and you have to leave for a little bit. Say, I'm doing some heirloom stitches here. I had to leave, and then I come back and it says, oh, it didn't say it because I didn't actually sew anything. Hold on, let me get a piece of something here. So I'm going to do this heirloom, and let's just sew a little bit on this for a second. Okay, so I did that. Now let's see. Since I did actually sew on it, it asked me if I want to resume. If I say okay, it's going to take me back to that heirloom. That is kind of good, if you're like at a retreat or something, or you go to your quilting class, and when you come home, you can get your machine exactly back to the way you had it set. So, and how you do that is go into settings. Let me see, find out which one it is. The resume mode. Turn it on, and then that way it will ask you when you boot up if you want to resume. Now we're going to talk about this favorite stitch adjustment, and I have it on right now. So I'm just going to get out of here real quick, and I'm going back to this stitch right here. So I actually have mine favorite. You can see that there's a favorite stitch right here. You can either, create it if you don't have one, delete it if you do. And you will see where it says DFT. That will take it to default. So let me switch that real quick. And you will see that it went to auto pressure. The length went down to 2.4 from 2.6. So if I load this back up again, oops, I think I just changed my defaults. Hold on. Yep, I did. So let me set this back. And I'm going to do a favorite stitch. Okay, so take it back down. And if I come over here and then come back, you'll see, because I've got the favorite stitch on, that it's already set my length to whatever I wanted it, my pressure foot pressure to where I want it, things like that. Now, if I turn this off, when I go back in here, you'll see that it is got my stitch settings here, because they know that this is the way I like to sew with a stitch. Now, I can always go back to the defaults, and as far as I know, you can do this setting for every single one. And you can say favorite stitch, save it. So this is the zigzag stitch, and I did it to 1.7 and auto 2. So if I go back and then hit that stitch again, you will see that it's got the 1.7 and the auto 2 for the pressure foot pressure. So enjoy your machine. It's got a lot of capabilities here for you. A lot of people don't know, that you can, like, expand this up and change your tensions, change your pressure foot pressure. And with the auto or with the favorite stitch, you can go in and make it exactly what you want. So you can do that with these heirloom stitches. You can, like the width is 9 millimeters and the length is 2.5. You could decrease it. That's as big as that one will go as far as length. You can do your auto presser foot, anything that you wanted to. But that's just one of the things that you can do and just have fun. So, oh, there's another, like if you do like some of these satin stitches, like right here, you can actually change it to go backwards. So if you do this and you don't like it pointing that way, you could switch it. So enjoy that. There are some, like I guess the A's and B's, that you can, play around with your letters here. But evidently you can't flip them upside down. I thought you could, but never mind. So anyway, go back to your machines and play around. Once you get a certain stitch setting that you like for, say, a fabric that you sew most, save it in your favorite stitches. It'll save you time and it'll allow you to enjoy the machine that you purchased a little more. So have fun, and we will talk to you later. Bye.